elephant, big and grand. F is for fish swimming in the sand. G is for giraffe, neck so tall. H is for horse, galloping call. Alphabet games make us smile. Learn and play, let's go the extra mile. The extra mile. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet tut. J is for jelly, a yummy treat tut. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for mango, juicy delight. N is for nest, where birds sleep tight. O is for orange, round and bright. P is for parrot, talking all night. Sing along, dance with me, learning letters A to Z. One by one we'll sing today. Let's have fun the alphabet way. Q is for queen, with a shiny crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger, with stripes in sight. U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for violin, playing sweet refrains. U is for watch, ticking all day. X is for xylophone, let's play. Y is for yacht, sailing so free. Z is for zebra, black and white sea. Now we've learned our ABC. Sing along and dance with me.